We are recording. Okay, so today I have these guys. I have 5 of these guys. And we are hunting a Dark Magician. I've pulled the Blackluster Soldier. I do not have it because I sold it. But that is what we're hunting today. So I have some magic stuff in the background because that's just what I have up. But today we are opening a bunch of these guys. I'm going to take the time to get them open and set the packs out. They are sealed, I promise. This ain't bullshit. They're all sealed. So I will see y'all in a minute. Okay. Get the knife out. I guess I should just get all the packs out and then we'll do it from there. We're hunting the Dark Magician or the Blue Eyes, I believe. There's a third, another Blackluster Soldier I'd be cool with too, but I know there's another pretty rare or pretty expensive ghost rare also that comes out of here. I just can't remember what it is. Come on out. I am going to pull up TCG Player right now so I can have the prices handy for this set. Because I know the goes from the past. So our Dark Magician is sitting at $635. It's fucking crazy. Then Blue Eyes is sitting at $350. Holy shit. Blackluster Soldier sitting at $321. I sold mine at $360. Hell yeah. And then the Crystal Wings Synchro Dragon, the other ghost rare, and Firewall Dragon, another ghost rare. So 5 ghost rares we're looking for. Sadly, outside of those, it's kind of hard to get your money back, to be honest. Since these are $15, you only get 15 cards, you know? You're spending $1 a card, essentially. So, but there's a lot of really cheap ultra rares in here. Alright, so we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 packs, 5 boxes. See, I was hoping to get a whole sealed display. That's what I was hoping for. But, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh, let me grab my sleeves. Oh. Sleeves. Sleeves, clear sleeves, 4 Japanese cards. And let's get to it. See what we get. So we got Galaxy Eyes. Let's see if I can get focused. Galaxy Eyes Cipher Blade Dragon, Metalfoes Mithrilium, Artifact Durandal, Mist Valley Baby Rock, Dragoonity Arma Grom. I know of the not crazy expensive stuff. Dragoonity Remus is nice $15, $16. Evenly Matched, Neshadal Genius Red Supernova Dragon. So we got Hosanova, Cosmo Dark Lady, Salvage, Time Thief Bezel Ship, Orchestrated Return. There's not a lot of crazy value unless you pull the big boys in this set. That's what we're hunting. We're hunting the big boys. The Monarchs Erupt, Son of Alendrias, XYZ Burst, Update Jammer. Ooh, there's Remus. That's a big boy. I'm actually gonna sleeve him. He's like $17, $18, so he's a nice pool. We'll let him chill over there. I know, let's see what else we gonna get. Sunvine Maiden, Tackle Crusader, Buster Dragon. That looks gnarly. It's awesome. Miss Valley Baby Rock, Dragunity Legatus. I am not really sure about him. Whoops, I pressed the wrong button on my keyboard. Oh man, Metalfoes Fusion. See, I quit playing Yu-Gi-Oh around the Madolche era actually. So Metalfoes and some of those other sets I don't know much about. Starry Nights. Yeah, I've never played with the Starry Night archetypes. Metalfoes. Dragonities were a thing when I played. Nation Dolls weren't a thing. See, and Pendulums. It was right at Pendulum time is whenever I had to get out of the game. Overlord, he's like $2 or $3. Galaxy Eyes Cypher X Dragon. I wonder if he's any good. I don't know. I'm actually, where's that Legatus at? I'm actually gonna pull him out and sleeve him. He's actually like $5. You see, these are supposed to be ultra rares, but he feels like an ultimate. I don't know. Oh, I've been out of Yu-Gi-Oh for so long. This is the first Yu-Gi-Oh stuff I bought in a long time, but that Black Luster actually was like, you know, Time Thief Retrograde. Kind of intrigued me. Dragunity Oblight, Heretic Dragon of Esset, Vampire. Ooh, that looks dope. Vampire Void. He looks gnarly as shit. Yeah, I mean, I might end up losing my ass on these. We'll see. Let's see if it'll focus back. There we go. Hozen Ryu, Cosmojo, Sunseed Genius Loki, the Stylist, the Mega Monarch. I remember the Monarchs too. Monarchs were always neat. Heretic Seal of Supremacy, Tefnuit again, another Overlord, he's like $2. Sunvine Healer, Hell Shadal Hollow. Still haven't pulled like Time Thief Adjuster. He's a big one, or a decent one. Red Supernova Dragon. It's a backup secretary. Gold Driver. Time Thief Flyback. I remember the Lavels. Shooting Star Dragon TGEX. He looks cool as shit, but not what I'm looking for. Give me a ghost rare, please. Sunseed Genius Loki, Cypher Blade, Mithrilium, Durandal. That was almost the exact same pack I had before. Killing me here. Killing me. Fairy Tale Tales, Starry Night Blast, King of Atom. I remember him from back in my day too. Time Thief Redoer, Starry Night, Starry Dragon. I'll sleeve him. He's a couple bucks. He can hang out up there. Not really a big pull. Haven't got anything like that yet. I mean, this guy is kind of a big pull. Remus. He's like the best you can get without getting a ghost rare. So, Danger Thunderbird, Metalfoes Counter, Miracle Synchro Finish, Chateau, Seal of Creation. 2 more packs. I knew this would go by quickly, but shit, only had 5 boxes. Falco, Metalfoes Fusion, Dragexquisite, Time Thief Perpetua, Dryanome. Last pack. It's not gonna have a ghost rare. There's no way I get lucky and pull 2 ghost rares without me spending a crazy amount of money. Healer, Flyback, Hozen Ryu, Cosmojo, and Red Supernova Dragon. He's like $8, but shit. Like $8. But damn. These are like these two guys really. $75. I got me back about 22. But I mean, I do sell everything I pull on TCG Player. So I mean, I'll sell the like cheap cards, like these guys, these little all the $1 cards. Damn, we're gonna have to keep hunting. I want that Dark Magician. So let me know if you want to see more of these, more Yu-Gi-Oh. I can get other Yu-Gi-Oh sets if they're worth opening, if there's anything cool in them. But I'm really hunting for that Dark Magician. Ghost Rare Dark Magician or the Ghost Rare Blue Eyes, either one. I'm down for it. But thank you all for watching. It's a lot shorter than my last one with the repacks. Or I don't even know which one of these I'm uploading first. I'm recording them all at the same time. But appreciate everyone coming out. What's the YouTube thing? Like, comment, subscribe. I don't really have an outro, so see you later.